Hello children. Now we are going to study the first construction from our syllabus, where we have to construct a quadrilateral in which you are given one diagonal and four sides. But basically it is the construction of two triangles, one above the diagonal and second below the diagonal. Let me recall first of all the construction of a triangle. If all the three sides are given, then what do we do in the lower classes? We draw one side. From one end point, we draw one arc. From the other end point, second arc. And join these 2 points of intersection. This point of intersection with the two. And what we get is the triangle. Now exactly same thing we are going to do for the construction of the quadrilateral also. One triangle will be above the diagonal, the second triangle will be below the diagonal. Okay, let us see. Here you are given a quadrilateral to be constructed, that is quadrilateral PQRS. When the name of the quadrilateral is given to you, from the name itself you can identify which are the diagonals. So this is one diagonal, segment joining, alternate letters, and this is the second diagonal. Now any one diagonal will be given. Here you are given PR. Okay, and remaining 4 are sides, PQ, QR, RS and SP. These are 4 sides. Let us try to draw a rough figure before we construct the quadrilateral. Okay, I'll just draw a rough figure. P, Q, R, S. What is given to me? This is given. PR is given. PQ is given. So this is also given. Then RQ is given. So this is given. PS is given. So this side is given. RS is given. RS is given. So this side is given. One diagonal and 4 sides are given. So what will we do? We will use the diagonal first and we will construct one triangle above the diagonal, second below the diagonal using the given sides. Alright, it is so simple. So this first construction is basically the construction of 2 triangles. Okay, so we should start, in order to make the construction simple and easier, we should start with the diagonal. Now diagonal can be given anywhere in the data, but you should be able to identify that this is the diagonal and this is the second diagonal. So whichever diagonal is given, you draw it first. So let me draw a diagonal of length. This is P, this is R. We will write this as 7 centimeters. Okay, PR is equal to 7 centimeters. Then we have to get 2 more points for the construction of quadrilateral. Okay. P and R we have obtained. Now I should get Q and S. So we should get 1 point at a time. So if I want to get Q, I should choose those sides containing Q. If I want to get Q, then I should select sides containing Q, that is QP and QR, or you can say PQ and RQ. So you are given PQ and RQ. So we have to use these 2 sides for getting point Q. So what will we do? We will take a distance of 5 centimeters. So this is a handy rounder. If this length is 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, let me say that this distance is 5 centimeters. Okay, approximately 5. So I'll draw an arc of 5 centimeters. The first arc to be drawn must be always longer. Now your target point, that means the point which you want, is Q. Therefore the rounder, the compass must be kept on point P, and that is what I did. From point P I drew an arc. Okay, of length 5 centimeters. Now I am going to use RQ, but I want to get Q, so I will keep the rounder on point R, that is of radius 4.3 centimeters. So let me say that this is 5 centimeters, so 4.3 will be somewhere here. Okay, but I have to draw the R from point R. So from point R, I'll draw an arc intersecting the first arc. Wherever these two intersect, there you will get your point Q. Okay, so this is your point Q. You can join P with Q, Q with R, and write their lengths. This is 5 centimeters. This is 4.3 centimeters. The lengths must be written in the construction. Otherwise, you may lose your marks. Now, so this point is obtained. Now only one point is left, S. In order to get S, we should use the segments or the sides containing S. That means SP and SR. So where is SP? Yes, PS and RS. So again I am going to use length PS, which is 3.9 centimeters. So if this is 4.3, 3.9 will be approximately here. Now this is only the explanation, not 100% accurate figure, but that is sufficient for you to construct. Okay, now PS distance is 3.9, which I took in my rounder, in my compass. My target point is S, that means I need point S. So I will keep the rounder on point P and draw an arc. So from point P, I draw an arc, the longer arc of length 3.9 centimeters. Then the next length is RS. I take this much of distance in the rounder. This is 5.5 will be this much, okay, approximately. And my target point is S, so I'll keep the rounder on R, and from point R, I'll draw an arc intersecting the first arc. This is my point S. Join P with S and R with S. Write their length. This is 3.9 centimeters. This is 5.5 centimeters. And you get your quadrilateral PQRS. So what exactly have I done? I have constructed one triangle above the diagonal, second below the diagonal. So the sequence of execution, the sequence of operation, the sequence of construction is: first take the diagonal, draw one triangle above, draw another triangle below, and that completes your construction of the full quadrilateral. Okay? Thank you, children.